Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon drizzle flapjacks. You will need 200 grams of oats, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 2 tablespoons of lemon curd, 25 grams of icing sugar and half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Firstly, you want to line a deep baking tray with greaseproof paper. My baking tray is 28 centimetres by 18 centimetres. Then in a saucepan over a low heat, mix together your butter, brown sugar, golden syrup and lemon curd. And mix together until the butter has melted and it is all well combined. Then add your oats and mix really well to make sure all those oats are coated. Then pop this into your pre-prepared tin. And bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 170 degrees fan assisted, or 190 degrees centigrade, and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the top is golden. Then once your flapjack has cooled, we want to make the topping. Simply mix together your icing sugar and lemon juice until well combined, and then drizzle over the top. Then chop into your pieces that you want to eat, and there you have it. That's how you make lemon drizzle flapjacks.